Is it likely that you are looking for the top KADENA cost guesses? You're impeccably situated. Well, explore what the experts need to say with respect to KADENA's future show to answer the request. Is KDA an insightful endeavor for 2022? To say the very least, the best benefit of placing assets into another cryptographic cache is that it permits you the potential chance to buy when the expense is incredibly low. In case you show restriction enough, you can watch your endeavor grow. Basically, KADENA is a reasonably new coin, having been accessible for just 2 years. If you are pondering placing assets into the coin, this KADENA esteem conjectures will be useful in various ways. It is by and large helpful to have considered how a hypothesis will act in the coming ways for advanced cash contributing. There could be not any more brilliant strategy for knowing this than to know the expense assumptions in this. We will look at KADENA's worth assumptions and measures 2022 to 2030 with respect to our traditions. We won't rush you through a couple of evaluated costs. Rather, we will begin with establishment information to help you with understanding KADENA better. Then look at its expense history preceding presenting our measures in a distinct manner. To use this, you ought to sort out the genuine story to get each vital scrap of information. Here's new bullish data for KADENA monetary patrons. Its planners pronounced a couple of huge updates will be done in 2022. We'll familiarize you with this crypto, as well as our through KDA cost figures. KADENA is a computerized cash project that offers a complete decentralized structure, enabling anyone using any and all means to use blockchain development. It is one of a modest bunch of the apparent real flexible blockchains that grants clients to pursue decentralized applications and splendid arrangements, as demonstrated by CoinMarketCap. KADENA has the super adaptable layer 1 POW blockchain as well as the most dependable key agreement language, as demonstrated by its actual site. KADENA is made to work for everyone, allowing us to work without agreeing to less. The KADENA climate offers the security of Bitcoin, practically free gas, unmatched throughput and wonderful insightful agreements. Its splendid understanding language settlement is evidently the most reliable in the business. It makes arranging and shipping off decentralized applications less complex and really convincing. It even distinguishes plays with, thus simplifying life for blockchain engineers. KADENA was attempted to achieve high adequacy at all levels. Its intriguing plan keeps energy use predictable. Even as TPS scales, the association charges close to no trade costs. It furthermore allows associations to crash all trade charges for their clients by virtue of the first crypto corner store in the business. This will help with pushing for the mass gathering of decentralized applications and advanced monetary standards. KADENA was laid out by Will Martino and Stuart Popejoy in 2016. The two men built Morgan's first blockchain. Before choosing to make KADENA, they had separately worked at SEC's Cryptographic Cache Controlling Board and Morgan's emerging blockchain pack. KADENA scales capably as extra affixes are added to the association. This component is portrayed as present-day flexibility on its site. As of now, KADENA is involved by critical associations in the cache clinical consideration and security adventures. Sweeping gathering is ordinary in various endeavors from now on. The KADENA token KDA, like each other computerized cash project, KADENA has a nearby money. This money drives the association as a utility token, and besides fills in as the fundamental endeavor vehicle. It is used to pay for computation on the KADENA public chain. It is moreover used to pay trade charges and prize diggers for their work on the association, despite its usage inside the KADENA organic framework. The nearby cache is moreover traded as an ordinary computerized cache across an assortment of computerized cache exchanges and related stages. It trades under the ticker picture KDA. This mechanized asset KDA is to the KADENA Association blockchain what ETH is to the Ethereum Association blockchain. The outright stock of KADENA tokens, KDA, is fixed at 1 billion tokens. It is to be mined in excess of a 120 years time span. And we are basically in the third year KADENA KDA worth history. KADENA initially offered its token to monetary sponsor in November 2019. The ICO token arrangement completed on 29 November 2019. After KADENA got simply 14,930,000. which was just 33 of the 44,939,000 target. The ICO token expense was 1 Kinjeko started following the expense of KDA in 2020, and we will include its data for this portion on 24 January 2020. The KADENA token traded for 0.234 per continued to drop, and on 6th walk. Rated for 0.114 per token. It showed up for an unrivaled minimal price of 0.0065811 on 13th walk 2020. On 3rd April 2020 KADENA cost was traded for 0.082 per token. By 3rd May the expense had climbed to 0.1358. It rose a lot further to reach 0.325 on 30th May. On 2nd June 2020 the coin traded for 0.3293 on 2nd July. The expense was 0.273 on 1st August 2020. Rated for 0.3113 per token. By 2nd September it rose to 0.604 on 12th October 2020. The coin was down again to 0.295 on 1st November 2020. It traded for 0.164 on the last day of 2020. December 31st the KADENA token traded for 0.1516 per token. On 3rd January 2021 KADENA cost was traded for 0.152 per token. By 2nd February it had climbed to 0.1895 on 2nd walk. The coin traded for 0.428. It rose through to reach 170 on 10th April 2021. On 1st May it traded for 110. And by 2nd June it was down to 0.54 on 2nd July 2021. The KADENA token traded for 0.395 on 3rd August. The expense of the coin was 0.334 on 3rd September 2021. It traded for 0.789. It started its most noteworthy bullish conflict the second multi-day stretch of September. And by 3rd October 2021 it had reached 178. Quick advancement saw the coin reach 709 on 30th October 2021. On 2nd November 2021 KADENA coin traded for 117. It rose quickly to show up at an unrivaled extreme expense of 27.64 on 11th November 2021. It encountered resistance by then and started dropping unequivocally. By 29th November the coin was down to 17.48 per token. On 2nd December 2021 rated for 17.09, and by 11th it was down to 10.25 on 29th December 2021 rated for 12.99. On 1st January 2022 KADENA token traded for 12.41. And by 28th January it was down to 571 per token. On 2nd February it traded for 609 and rose to 900 on 10th. On 28th February 2022 the coin traded for 586, and on 2nd walk the expense of KDA was 725 per token. KADENA KDA worth assumption, since it has ended up being so clear a major inspiration for KADENA and how the worth of its token has moved.